Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome to another edition of Loud Math with Mr. C. It is a cool summer day, and on this episode of Loud Math with Mr. C, we are going to be rocking with addition of multi-digit numbers, specifically numbers that are 5 digits. Now, the strategy for solving addition problems that are 5 digits, that means we're going all the way to the 10,000s place. It's the same as if we were, the strategy for solving 5-digit addition with 5-digit numbers is pretty much the same as if we were solving with 2-digit numbers or 3-digit numbers. The only difference is that there's a few more steps, and we have to check the place value within more numbers. We got to look from the ones place all the way to the thousands place to see if regrouping is required. But as always, I'm going to demonstrate. Sounded like I was lagging on there. I'm going to demonstrate exactly what to do. So without me saying too many more words, I'm just going to get into the problem. All right. So we have 14,287 plus 10,342. The first step is we go all the way to the ones place. That's our first step. We go right to the ones place. So going to the ones place, first in the ones place we have 7 plus 2. So we add 7 plus 2 up. 7 plus 2 is 9. Now, since the number is less than 10, we don't need to regroup. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 is more than 10, so we do need to regroup. The 2 in the number 12 we're going to put in the tens place. The 1 in the number 12 we're going to carry over to the hundreds place. Now, when we're working with subtraction, it's usually ideal to regroup before you get into the actual subtraction of numbers. That's not the case for addition. With addition, you can actually start adding and regroup as you go along. But with subtraction, it's better to do the regrouping before you subtract any numbers at all. All right. So we have 2 plus 3, which is 5, plus 1, which is 6. Now we're in the thousands place. 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we only need to regroup one number there. All right, and we have our answer. 14,287 plus 10,342 equals 24,629. All right, now I'm going to do another one. Where's my paper towel at? I don't want to use a dish towel to wipe this. I'm gonna grab my paper towel right quick. Ay, Dios mío, it almost fell. Almost fell again. All right, here we go. All right, 10,845 plus 17,296. We're going to have to do a lot of grouping for this one. Now remember, with addition, you can actually regroup as you're adding the numbers. With subtraction, you want to do the regrouping before you get to the actual operation of subtraction. So with subtraction, you want to do all the regrouping before you subtract any numbers. With addition, you can actually do the addition problems in each place as you go along. So 5 plus 6. Looking all the way to the ones place, 5 plus 6 equals 11. So I'm going to put a 1 in the ones place. Carry the 1 over. 4 plus 9 equals 13, plus 1 more is 14. So I'm going to put 4 in the tens place. I'm going to carry the 1 over to the hundreds place. 9 plus 2 is 11. So again, I'm going to put a 1 in the hundreds place, carry the 1 over to the thousands place. 1 plus 0 plus 7 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer is 28,141. I'm going to do one more. One more problem. Ay, Dios mío. I got to get a better chair here, ladies and gentlemen, because with this chair, the blackboard just thaws over. All right. 16,281 plus 12,422. So we're going to go all the way to the ones place now. 2 plus 1 equals 3. We do not need to regroup there because the sum of 1 plus 2 is 3, which is less than 10. We only regroup when the sum is 10 or more. 8 plus 2 is 10. So here we do need to regroup. We're going to put a 0 in the tens place, and we're going to carry a 1 over to the hundreds place. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 4 is 7. Again, 7 is less than 10, so we don't need to regroup there. 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer is 28,703. Now, if you're not able to do the math in your head, what I would recommend is getting scrap paper and counting out the circles. So, for example, if you in your head don't know what 1 plus 2 is, on scrap paper you can write a 1. Well, you can draw 1 circle, draw 2 circles, and then count up the total number of circles. Usually, when we get to 5-digit addition, though, it's most people are pretty fluent with doing addition in their head once we get to the point where we're solving 5-digit problems. I definitely recommend working on your addition fluency and building up your fluency for addition, subtraction, and with math in general, because it makes it a lot easier when you do multi-step problems like this. I'm going to do one more because just to make sure I'm clear on what I mean. All right, last problem. 41,112 plus 15,298. All right, so let's say I don't know what 2 plus 8 is in my head. What you can do is on scrap paper like this, you can draw 2 circles, then draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 plus 8 is 10. So that's how you can count. You can actually count up the numbers you're adding if you're not able to do it in your head. And the reason I would recommend doing that on scrap paper is because if you do it on the actual paper with the problem, when it comes to multi-digit numbers like this, it could get confusing. All right. So 2 plus 8 is 10. So we're going to put the 0 in the number 10 in the ones place. We're going to carry the 1 over to the tens place. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 9 is 11. So the tens place, I'm going to put a 1, carry the 1 over. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 5 is 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. All right, and our answer is 56,410. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is my video for today. Thank you for tuning in to this edition of Live Math with Mr. C. I'm signing off now, and I hope all of you have a great rest of the day. Happy summer.